So obviously I wore the appropriate shirt for the occasion today. I'm standing in front of our new project car for the channel. This is a Lexus LS 400, 1997. In the, I believe it's pearl white. Yes, it is a pearl white. Pearl white and silver, which I think the pearl white is actually a rare option for this year, or for Lexus. But needs a little cleanup. It's not terrible though. Needs some cleaning up. Other than that, the car is actually really solid. The only little bit of rust I seen was this little surface rust right here, which ain't no big deal. Crawled underneath, the floorboards look solid. This is actually a pretty sweet JDM car. I just learned, I didn't even know nothing about these till recently. They're kind of growing popularity. Guys will put a nice set of coilovers on them, and then some 18-inch wheels, 17-inch wheels. They actually have the same lug pattern as the Mustangs. So I seen one with some Saleen Mustang wheels on it, so that's what we're gonna do. And it also has the V8. So already planning on doing some sort of straight pipe or some sort of high flow exhaust system on this. But yeah, so look forward to seeing this get built on the channel. I ordered a fuel pump for it because the previous owner said it might have a bad fuel pump, so I ordered that already, and it will be here in the morning. So hopefully we'll have it running within a day or two. Okay, so got the trailer in tow. Already went and looked at the car, got the keys, got the title from the guy. Had to run back to the house, put a different shirt on, repping the old American Gasser shirt. Shout out to the guys at American Gasser, awesome team there. Had to go put a different shirt on because I don't want to trash my new white Nevelift shirt. So did that, grab a couple tools, and now I gotta run over to my dad's house, grab a come along because I don't have one of them. Because the car does not run right now. The guy said it might be a fuel pump, so like I said, I got that on order. Yeah, so within the next couple weeks, hopefully I'll have a pretty sweet car, depending on what all's wrong with it and stuff. But we'll find out as we start digging into it. I'll start doing breakdown videos on what we're doing to it and all that good stuff. But first, I gotta get this thing. I'm soloing it right now. It's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. Run over to my dad's house, get that. I accidentally left my tripod there, so I'll get that set up, and we'll hopefully get the car on the trailer quickly and back to the house. I'd like to possibly tear into that thing and figure out what's exactly wrong with it. Hopefully we can have it running tomorrow. That'd be sweet. Do a little run and drive video, but we'll get into that later. Looking at these cars, looking at cars for the last couple weeks. I'm kidding you guys. I'm not kidding you guys. I've been looking at cars for the last probably 2-3 weeks straight. Every day there's a nice car that pops up in my price range that I was shooting for, and it's sold. Every single one of them has sold within, I'm gonna guess, less than 18 hours. The car that really kicked it all off for this little need or want for another JDM car, a 240, it was a 1996 240 SX popped up and it had an R33 Skyline rear end done on it, and the guy wanted $400. I was like, oh my god, I need to get this car. I had $400 because it's $400 is $400. And I really wanted to get the car. Well, the guy took a pending offer on, took an offer on it right away, and had somebody put some money down on the car, which I wish I would have done because I talked to the guy first, I believe. But I wish I would have put some money down on it because I would have obviously gotten that car. But there's that. The second car was actually a 1998 Honda Civic EG hatchback. This car was mint. I mean, 100% original, never been modified. And that's the rare JDM car I was talking about. It's not rare to the fact of, oh my god, it's a MK4 Supra twin turbo Targa top 6-speed manual transmission. Like, that's obviously one of the rarest cars you can get. It's not a Midnight Purple 2 GTR. It was rare for the fact of this car had never been modified. It still had the factory hubcaps, had 168,000 miles. It had the factory radio, no rust, not even an aftermarket muffler. Nothing has been changed. Nothing was changed on that car, and that's rare for a Honda Civic. So I was trying to get that car, and the guy wound up selling it out from underneath me. He told me I could come look at it and all this stuff, and I got everything ready, got money, and all of a sudden he stopped responding to me. I looked back at it, and it said sold on it. So I was kind of upset at that point, and then everything else kept selling.
We got you. Yeah. Good, Daddy. Daddy walking in car. Hey dear. You got you. You got you. Where's the car? No, don't touch it. You watch it.
Can't stop. Okay, let's see if it goes.